So pretty. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Okay, I just got out of the shower. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. We are heading towards home. I cannot wait to see my kitty. Oh my goodness, my kitty. Look at this little ray of sunshine.
Hello.
What you doing? What you got there?
Why is it?
It is a spinner cube. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking pretty outside. We could eat breakfast out there. We're in line for bingo pre-sale. Riley's about to be annihilated. Yeah. Sana. That kind of looks like me eating ice cream. This is adorable. Look at the cactus. Cacti. Look at the Mickey. Look at the Mickey cactus. Look at leopard strawberries. Really? These are so cute. Popsicles, Riley. They're popsicles. They're popsicles. That's your spoon. That's my spoon. That's my spoon. And then what? The ocean. Ice
We're in
cream
the middle
shop?
of nowhere.
I know. Look at. Ice cream shop.
Death Shard. Wait, there's a ship way out there. Look.
Oh, there is. He's in the sun. He must have paid the sun bill out there.
Yo. What the heck is this?
Let me see if I can get it. Where is he? Oh, I see him. You see him? Way out there.
Oh.
Way out there.
That little guy.
Here. Remember the chips.
And sauce.
3-0 Brooklyn.
I know.
Well, there's another card right there. Well, and I'm sure behind me would be some problems you made to be better. But
Vegan.
okay, bueno. Ay, nunca usted que guitarra donde prenda and put it back when we're done. What could go wrong?
What could go wrong? Let me grab some of this. What did you order for dinner?
I ordered black bean soup and carnitas and creme brulee cheesecake.
Nice, sounds good. Enjoy.
What color is this sky? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor.
Coco Loco! Ooh, really? Feliz Navidad. Thank you. Carnitas. Look at all their shoes. And zapatos. Hi.
Well, have a good night.
Thank you, you too. Hi, Victoria. Look at, why do we have to make shoes? Why can't we make sparkly underwear for wrestlers? Sure is dark out here. I'm gonna walk away from that before I have a panic attack. Look at that! Oh my gosh, that's where the spa is. Look at it. Wow. Very cool. Look at the water slides all lit up. So cool. This walks this way. It's so freaky out there. Look at that. Look at that antenna. And as far as I've been told, that big ball right there is Doppler. But I don't know if that's true. That's just what I've been told. It is really windy out here. I guess you could imagine. Hey, I'm on the front. Oh my god, it's pitch black out here. Oh my god. I haven't gotten any video of this because there's usually kids in here. You don't want to record the kids, but look at the splash zone. That's so cool, huh? That's awesome. Now let's go look at Slidosaurus Rex. Oh my god, you're just silly. You're just silly. Hi, fella. So you go up right there. There's the entrance, and you climb up, and then you slide down this yellow tube, and you crash down right here. Oh, it's totally dry. Ha ha! That's crazy. And then that's the Aqua Mouse, where it's part Mickey Mouse shorts and part inner tube roller coaster. Or I should say 2-man boat. Let's see. Oh, I was like, why is this all wet? Because of that.
We're shutting down sign-ups, okay? Is he on your team or not?
Beautiful, huh? Is anybody on the Aqua Mouse? Is anybody on it? When we were going on this, we were screaming our brains out. That was awesome. Oh, there goes somebody. Somebody's on it. 0 wait time. Look at that. That's amazing. Can you see the water trickling down the back of the chairs? Can you see it? So this is 18 and over. And look. I'll come back and get a shot of this in the daytime, but it's a panorama off of the back of the boat. What is this? Oh my god. I just found this place. Oh my god. I'll be just now. So I'll be back tomorrow. Wow. That is so cool. Oh my god. Just water trickling down your back as you sit. Oh my god. Riley's gonna have a heart attack that he can't come in here. This is 18 and over. I wonder what that is. Is that somebody's room? No. Cove Cafe. Okay. I'm like, what? That's somebody's room? No. Cove Cafe. Look at it. Oh my gosh. This is cafe. So I wonder if they serve like snacks and whatnot. You see that? Cove Cafe. Very cool. Very cool. Look at that. I'm just in shock. I can't believe I found a whole new section. Look at rocking chairs. Oh, it's called a bench pool. So there's 2 bench pools flanking a panorama pool.